practice set 1.1 example number 1. Example is base of a triangle is 9 and height is 5. Base of another triangle is 10 and height is 6. Find the ratio of areas of this triangle. In this example, we have given base of first triangle B1 is 9, height H1 is 5, another triangle base B2 is 10 and height H2 is equal to 6. From this formula, area of triangle of first triangle upon area of second triangle is equal to B1 into H1 divided by B2 into H2. Substitute the value of B1 9, value of H1 5, B2 is 10, H2 is 6, hence 9 into 5 upon 10 into 6, that is 45 upon 60. If we divide it by 15, then the value is 3 by 4. Ratio of area of these two triangle is 3:4. Practice set 1.1 example number 3. In adjoining figure, segment PS is tangent segment RQ and segment QT is tangent to segment PR. If RQ is equal to 6, PS is equal to 6 and PR is equal to 12, then find QT. From given example, here is we have drawn the diagram. PS is tangent to the RQ in point S. PS is given 6. RQ is given 6 and QT, segment QT is tangent to side PR and PR is given 12. From this given, we highlight the triangle PRQ. If we consider the triangle PRQ, base RQ and height is PS. This is the same figure, only we rotate this figure. In triangle PRQ, QT is perpendicular to the segment PR. PR is given 12 and we have to find segment QT. If we consider the highlight triangle PQR, suppose the base is PR and height is QT. Both figure are same. Triangle PQR in first figure, base is RQ and its corresponding height is PS. In second figure, triangle PQR, base is PR and its corresponding height is QT. By our formula, area of triangle PQR upon area of triangle PQR is equal to RQ into PS upon PR into QT. Substitute the value. RQ is given 6, PS is given 6, hence 6 into 6 divided by 12 into QT. 6 into 6, 36 divided by 12, that is 3 upon QT. Both triangle are congruent, equal, hence area of that triangle is equal, hence ratio is 1:1. We have right here 3 upon QT is equal to 1:1, hence QT is equal to 3. Thus we find the QT, segment QT is 3.